Welcome back. In this segment, we will turn our attention to today's most powerful and widely adopted AI system that are revolutionizing research, especially for the students and scholars in social science. We are not just talking about the smarter search engines or reference managers anymore. We are talking about generative AI, the kind of AI that can help you brainstorm, structure, and validate, and even polish your academic writing. Let's explore three leading tools: ChatGPT, Microsoft Copilot, and Google Gemini. Generative AI refers the systems that can create the content, text, images, code, or even audio or video based on given input or prompts. These tools use the natural language processing and machine learning models trained on vast datasets. Their job? Understand your intent and generate the output that matches your context. In research, this means they can help you in drafting the research questions, generating the outlines for review of literature, suggesting citations, or even simulating the academic discussions. This isn't the automation. This is the augmentation of your brain power. Let's start with the most popular. ChatGPT by OpenAI is one of the most accessible tools today. Its conversational interface that can do a wide variety of academic tasks. For example, you can ask it to summarize a research paper, rephrase your abstract in APA style, or simulate a mock viva voce. But the magic lies in how you instruct it. That's where the prompt engineering becomes a superpower. Hopping in for the prompt engineering, it is the skill of asking the right question in the right format. And here is a comparison. First prompt reads like this: give me information on the big five personality. Obviously, you will be getting the vague results by ChatGPT or any other AI tool. But when you promisingly give a very crafted, well-mannered and precise prompt, you will get a different answer. And here is a prompt. List 5 peer-reviewed articles published after 2020 on big 5 personality traits in workplace settings with author names. Powerful, specific, and useful, right? Mastering the prompts is the key to unlocking AI's full academic potential. Now let's jump in to the Microsoft Copilot. It is integrated into MS Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. And what does this mean? While writing a thesis chapter, Copilot can suggest the bullet points, reformat your table of content, insert AI generated summaries into your footnotes. It is particularly useful for structuring the long documents, editing for the tone and clarity, and automating the repetitive academic formatting. Moving in for the third most powerful tool. Gemini is fast catching up in this race. Gemini excels in real-time search plus summarization, context-aware suggestions from Google Scholar, integration with Docs and Gmail for collaborative research. But the main question, what sets the Gemini apart? Its strength in combining the live data with personal documents and offer the contextual recommendations. Let's list out some academic tasks now, fully or partially automated with these AI tools. Outlining the generations for research proposals, source validation with citations and DOI, auto citation formatting, in APA, MLA, Chicago, or even IEEE. Language correction and grammar polishing. Plagiarism awareness with the style rewriting. Comparative summaries of two theories. You are no longer working alone. AI is your co-pilot now. Even with these AI tools, you remain the researcher. Always validate the sources yourself. Always cross-check the generated content. And never let the AI define your originality. Remember, AI assists, it doesn't author. In upcoming modules, we will be exploring the hands-on workflows using these tools. From literature review to survey design, from citation to final formatting. We will see how AI can empower every stage of your journey. Let's now move toward the practical applications of these tools.